Security at the White House Correspondents Dinner. The video showing images of Cole Allen allegedly shooting at agents while running towards the ballroom at the Washington Hilton last Saturday. Prosecutors releasing the video to try and prove Allen is the one who shot at a Secret Service officer in that bulletproof vest, pushing back against claim that the agent was shot by friendly fire. Allen is being held as he now awaits trial and what's to come of more hearings. And here he is casing the basement the day before. Let's check in with criminal defense attorney Joseph Tully. Good to see you, Joseph. What do you make of these videos as a defense attorney here? How hard is this defense going to be watching the casing the night before and then the subsequent video of the shooting?
Well, thank you for having me. It's great to be here. You know, I think these videos will be used by the prosecution. However, I don't necessarily think that it can obliterate any defense here. I do see very strong defenses here, depending on whether or not the defense goes with the theory of, listen, he really wasn't trying to kill anybody. He was trying to create a spectacle. Yes, he did bring guns. Yes, he did shoot at an agent. And, you know, for that, he could be facing 10 years, 20 years, things like that. But it is possible for the defense team here to avoid a life sentence, which is what would happen if he's convicted of the attempted assassination.
You know, a lot has been made of that charge, given the fact that it's the attempted assassination of a single person of the President of the United States. And I think there, the burden of beyond a reasonable doubt could be a tall feat, still, regardless of all the evidence. But I would imagine at this point, given these videos and what we know, that there could still be a superseding indictment that has other charges that would still need maybe less of a burden of proof, but that would point to the attempted assassination, given the fact that we saw the selfie of the guns he was carrying, that it seems as though he did discharge that 12-gauge pump.
Sure, he is carrying guns. He did take the photos. He does have lots of weapons on him. However, he did load his guns with buckshot or with birdshot in order, specifically, according to his writings, to avoid unnecessary fatalities. Again, his writings, he does say he's there to perform an assassination. However, the writings could be part of a defense of, no, those writings were just to create a spectacle after my arrest. So it is still possible. In order for the prosecution to bring this case to a jury trial, you have to vet it in some way. Normally it's through either a preliminary hearing or through a grand jury. And as you're saying, the government may choose to do a superseding indictment here. I believe that that is 100% accurate. I believe that that will happen in this case, and it'll take it from a different procedure that we're on now, facing preliminary hearing, to just facing jury trial post grand jury indictment.
All right, we'll be watching here because clearly these videos are giving us a better sense of what exactly took place the night of the dinner. Joseph, good to see you. Happy weekend.
Great to see you. Happy weekend to you.
King Charles, Queen Camilla.